Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my lectures. Today's topic is very important and it is most important questions of general knowledge about the United Nations, frequently asked in competitive exams via job test of FPSC, Federal Public Service Commission, Punjab Public Service Commission, Sindh Public Service Commission, Union Public Service Commission, IES and ISS, UPSC, Prelims, IBSTS, and University Admission Test in the world. Topic of BSIR, International Relations, Political Science, World History, Diplomatic History, Defense Strategic Study. I am Professor Qayum Mangi, College of Superior Service, Sakhar, Pakistan. This is my number. And anybody can contact me for anything. Now, today's topic is Secretary Generals of United Nations since the establishment of United Nations. Number one, the first Secretary General of United Nations was Qayum Mangi, belonged to Norway, European country, from 1945 to 1953. It is picture of the Qayum Mangi. Number two, Dag Hammarskjöld, belonged to Sweden, Europe, from 1953 to 1963. He was killed in plane crash in Africa in the line of fire. Number three, U Thant, belonged to Burma. Burma is the old name of Myanmar. Now it is called Myanmar, Southeast Asian country in Asia, 1963 to 1971. And this is the picture of U Thant. This is was the first Asian who became the Secretary General of United Nations. Number four, Kurt Waldheim, belonged to Austria, Europe, 1972 to 1981. This is the picture of Kurt Waldheim. He was a very nice person. Number five, Javier Perez de Cuellar, belonged to Peru, South America, from 1982 to 1991. And this is his picture. Number six is Boutros Ghali, belonged to Egypt, Africa, 1992 to 1996. This is the picture. He was the Vice President of Egypt under Anwar Sadat. No, not Anwar Sadat, someone else. Number seven, Kofi Annan, belonged to Ghana, Africa. Ghana is an African country, and he from 1997 to 2006. And this is the picture of Kofi Annan. He reformed the United Nations and worked for the poor people of the world, irrespective of creed, color, and religion. Number eight, Ban Ki-moon, belonged to South Korea, East Asia, 2007 to 2016. This is the picture of Ban Ki-moon. Number 9, Antonio Guterres, belonged to Portugal, Europe, from 1st January to 2017 to date. He is former Prime Minister of Portugal, and this is the picture of Antonio Guterres. The tenure of Office of Secretary General of United Nations is 5 years. May be re-elected for next term. The Charter of United Nations is the founding document of United Nations. It was signed on 26 June 1945 in San Francisco, United States of America, and came into force on 24th October 1945. And there are 111 articles in the Charter of United Nations. Wish you good luck. Take care of you and others. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.